ओम सदायोगिने नमः। नानाह्येनं व्यपदिशन्ति पितेति पुत्रेति भ्रातेति च सखेति च। पुत्र भ्रातृसखित्वेन स्वामित्वेन यतो हरिः बहुधा गीयते वेदैः जीवोंशस्तेन तस्यतो। The relation with God to all the souls, such as son, brother, well-wisher and Lord, is eternal and unconditional, whereas the relation of other fellow beings is both temporary and conditional. कर्मभिर्भ्राम्यमाणस्य देवतिर्यङ्घ्रियोनिषु बन्धुज्ञात्यरि मध्यस्थ मित्रोदासीन विद्विषः सर्व एव हि सर्वेषां भवन्ति क्रमशो मिथः. The souls, on the basis of their karma actions, have been going through so many janmas, births, such as heavens, human beings, and animals. In those births, all the souls meet so many people, such as bandhu, relatives through marriage, jnati, relatives through blood, ari, the one who harms physically, madhyastha, the one who is sometimes harmful and sometimes helpful as well, mitra, the one who wishes well and thereby is only helpful, udasina, the one who is neither harmful nor helpful, and vidvit, the one who wishes only harm. So all these relations are only temporary and conditional. But the yoga sambandha between God and souls is sada, eternal and unconditional. So the Lord is named Sada Yogi,